gate so that I could take some amazing photographs of the architecture without other people being in the shot. After that, I could relax, take my time wandering around the grounds and go and check out the museum that's on site as well. I'd also time it well so that I could take in the entire changing of the guard ceremony, which was quite spectacular, really colourful. The longer I'm wandering around the palace grounds, the more crowded it seems to be getting with tourists, and many of them are wearing hanbok, which is the Korean national costume. They are doing this because they can get free entry for wearing this garment. There are a wide variety of styles depending on time frame and what social status you're wanting to dress up as. The rental outlets for these tend to be quite close to the palaces, so it's pretty easy to find one to go and pretend to be a princess or a prince for a day, or maybe you want to be a king or a queen. So I'm in one of the most busiest places on earth, it feels like. It's Sunday, Easter Sunday, and so far I've seen very little in the way of anything celebrating Easter, except for a parade that's happening today in the main square. The parade includes the Easter duck, and it's more crowded than this place, so I think I'm going to avoid it, and I'm going to go up to the Hanok village, have a look around. It's getting mad crazy busy in here. Easter duck? Found my way onto a bus that would take me off Namsan and get me as close as possible to my hotel. This was imperative by now because I had blisters on the soles of my feet I needed to put my feet up. So that's all that happened for day 3. I just relaxed back at the hotel after that. And so we'll catch up on day 4. See you later.